Are you finding that your iPhone storage is running out quickly because you've got loads of photos and videos on there? Well, instead of deleting ones that you might like, why don't you try deleting the duplicates instead? Yeah, that's right. Sometimes your iPhone has more than one copy of a photo, or even worse, a video, and it takes up even more space than you perhaps need it to. In the Photos app, we can actually get rid of all of these duplicates. So let's get started. And if you don't know me, hi, I'm Jacob. I make iPhones accessible and useful for everyone. Hit subscribe if you like this tip. So in the Photos app, we're going to tap on the Collections tab at the bottom, and we're going to scroll down a little bit until we find the Utilities section. Here we've got various groups of different things that you can do, like recently deleted pictures, but there's going to be one there called Duplicates. Now when you tap on here, it's going to show you everything in your camera roll which is an identical copy to another image. You might have perhaps two the same, or in this case, four the same. And what's great is it will show you on there which file size is bigger, which one's the higher quality version, or maybe they're both exactly the same. You can then decide to merge individual groups together to reduce your file size and to free up some space. So here, for example, if I tap onto merge, it's going to get rid of those other images and just keep the one best quality version of that picture in my camera roll. Of course, you can do this manually one by one, but I've got over 450 duplicates here. That's going to take forever. Instead, tap onto select at the top, select all, and then you can press merge all at the bottom. That's not going to merge them all into one picture, don't worry, but it is going to clear up all the clutter in your Photos app. And don't forget, if you want some more iPhone quick tips, hit subscribe and then check out this quick tip next.